Hey there. Today's quick and easy video recipe is going to be for soft chicken tacos. Now I've got all the ingredients we're going to need today. We've got our homemade taco seasoning. I've got chicken, some green chilies. I've got a little hot sauce here, some sour cream, some salsa. I have our tortillas, our lettuce, some tomato, and some shredded cheddar cheese. And all the ingredients will be listed in the video description. Okay, so I heated up my chicken and my green chilies and my taco seasoning, and that's nice and hot right now on this side. And I'm gonna go ahead and build me a taco. I'll start with some of this chicken. It really smells good. I wish you guys could smell all this. Okay, I'm gonna go with some lettuce, some tomato, some cheese, oops, okay. A little salsa. About a little bit of hot sauce to go on top too. And last but not least, some sour cream. Hopefully it'll squeeze out good for me. Ooh, it squeezed out way too good. All right. Oh, I hope I can get a good bite of this. I'm sure I can. It's gonna be a mess. Let's see. Here goes nothing. Mmm. Mmm. Hopefully this is going to put some chicken soft tacos in your future, because that's really good. You're going to love it, but only if you try it. Hey guys, hope you got some value out of this video, and if so, I hope you'll give me a like, and following me would be super cool. Comments and shares are always welcome, and have a blessed day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.